Hello everyone. Thank you for inviting HARDWARIO here, and it's great to be a member of the Alliance. Maybe let me start with a question to you. What do you think is the most precious, most important and crucial asset that you have in your business? Time. It is. Thank you. It is time. It's not money, it's time. When you save time, you save money. And today I will show you how we are boosting innovations in companies and helping them save time and save money. By the way, my name is Tomáš Morava. I introduced yesterday, but I'm co-founder and CFO of HARDWARIO company. This week, actually, we are celebrating 3 years of existence. And this is just a snippet of companies that we have been working with and helping, working on projects, some of them IQRF ready. And we have been doing quite successful projects with them, really saved time, really deployed new hardware for these companies within a significantly reduced time. What we do is called HARDWARIO blocks, because in the world of hardware, if you start from scratch, the development process of a new product is absolutely critical. And normally it takes years to get project from the idea or product from the idea to real hardware. In the world of IoT, the time to market is absolutely crucial. You need to know very fast if your product is good in a good quality, good conditions, what will be the pricing, how will be the data, how will be the battery consumption, for instance, and if the product, the prototype, will be well perceived at the market. So therefore, we developed blocks. The blocks is a system of reusable and pre-programmed components of hardware platforms, firmware libraries, and cloud communication infrastructure, by using which we can just put together the different pieces for our customers and design their own projects within, we say, less than 3 months. The platforms that we have are some of them that you could already see at our booth yesterday, and some of them I describe here today. The first is IoT kit that we have. It's called BigClown. We successfully use it for schools, but for B2B, we use it for rapid prototyping. We have also some other ready-to-customize platforms for outdoor, indoor, for some tracking, and some others. What matters the most for us here is that all of them are running on batteries. We know that all of them can run on batteries in specific conditions and design of the use case for many years. All of them feature wireless communication, ready for IQRF communication, our own proprietary radio, or LP1 networks, all three of them, Sigfox, LoRa, and NB-IoT. The IoT kit called BigClown we use successfully for Industry 4.0 pilots, because it consists of more than 40 modules that you can put one to each other and very fast get the project running, very fast get data. Some of you might see yesterday that there was a gray box with a sticker on that, Microsoft Azure IoT Central. This project was done during one afternoon. Microsoft just wanted some demo box for integration of some simple sensors to their cloud, and using our toolkit, we were able to get them data and get them the product within really one afternoon. As I mentioned, we use it not only for B2B projects and pilots. We use it also for education purposes. We successfully and happily, I have to say, sell it to schools where teachers learn kids digital skills, automation projects, and IoT in general. We also have a extensive support for that. So if you buy something from our eShop, then you can easily get support, get it connected, and get your project really done very fast. We sell it through our eShop, as I mentioned. We successfully did a crowdfunding campaign last year, and therefore the BigClown kit is in more than 40 countries around the world, and we have thousands of use cases for hundreds of customers. But as Milos already mentioned in the last presentation, we spent most of our times indoors. And in the world of IoT, the indoor sensing is very crucial and has very great potential. Therefore, we put all our know-how we had from the BigClown kit on one board and designed versatile but ready-to-use indoor multi-sensor platform that we call Cooper, that features long battery lifetime, narrowband, IQRF, LoRa or sub-gigahertz radio or Sigfox communication, that you just choose what you want, what you prefer for your specific use case, and we change it according to customers' needs. It features also Bluetooth Low Energy, as I mentioned, runs on batteries in specific configuration for more than 5 years. And it has variety of sensors, because your projects, your IoT projects, can be really, there are infinite number of possibilities. You might need carbon dioxide measurement, you might need volatile organic compounds measurement, you might need just temperature and relative humidity, you might need light intensity, noise, and what there are many options, and due to configuration and architecture of this product, this platform, we can very simply, according to your needs, put there and assemble there sensors that the customer and the use case really needs. We have another one which is called Chester. It's another again platform, so not a product but platform that is used for development and prototyping of your products. It features outdoor readiness, so it's enclosed in IP67 enclosure. The board and the components and the battery is designed precisely for long-term usage in harsh outdoor conditions, and it has been tested in cooperation with Vodafone Czech Republic and Vodafone UK in their showrooms and many use cases. The special feature of this platform is that because of its outdoors, you need to add some external sensors through water-resistant connectors. So we use some digital or analog terminals there that you can very easily add whatever sensor you may have via a one-wire connection protocol or Modbus or some others. You can also use Bluetooth Low Energy and connect external sensors wirelessly. We have quite nice implementation of a tracker that we have. We call it Boner, which is again a platform that you can customize. But basically, this is battery powered with accumulator recharged wirelessly, outdoor application ready, GPS with very high accuracy. On that, used for instance for the latest project is tracking of industrial drones in Belgium. We have many more customers, many more projects. It's predictive maintenance, some buttons in production with Skoda, some workflow monitors, backup systems. Yesterday we mentioned monitoring of street columns, personal alarms, some consumer electronic products that some of our customers want to pilot with us, and so on and so on. And I will tell you a few words about two practical examples that we did and are IQRF ready, because we are here at the stage of IQRF Summit. The first is TPCA, the automotive company in Kolín here, but the global one. And there, just using BigClown modular IoT kit, we were able, together with the innovation group there in this company, to make happen within less than 3 weeks for less than 500 euros project in predictive maintenance. They just monitored very simple sensors. They put together some modules on BigClown, and we monitored temperature on engines of some lifts in their workshop. Basically, some tools that they use for production, but critical ones, because once the engine is overheated, it stops and it needs to be maintained. So if you need, if you get the data from various engines in the production line, then you can really select very precisely what engine is about to be in a need of repair, and you can predictively replace it with some that has been repaired already. So by using that, they can very easily save time of the maintenance, and they can very easily predict if there is some problem, because in case of problem, if the line stops, then it's a million of losses. Another thing is quite easy, again, but very successful for Skoda, automotive company, you may know. There is a nice application of two phases of how we do projects with our customers. It's a simple button. The system is called Andon. It's a general system for some monitoring of production lines. You can Google it, but they just need to button to be pushed and to have some action on it and some special visualization tool there. So we designed the process. We put several scenarios and assembled with BigClown several types of buttons, put it into production and get data within a few weeks, and monitored the process, which was done for 1 month. And based on this, we designed a technical specification of the final product. So version 2.0, that you can see down there, which was done within less than 3 months. It's IQRF ready, by the way, because of the long production line, so the mesh network we use. And then there is this first prototype batch already done, and probably promising we will be doing deployment in other workshops of this company. So their product based on first piloting on BigClown. We have a lot of integrations that we do, because we don't do software, so we are happy to cooperate with other companies that are here. We also integrate with other hardware partners, because not all hardware we have. For instance, as we mentioned yesterday, power circuit breakers connected to our system via IQRF. It's perfect integration and perfect partnership. We do Grafana visualization, UbiDots, Microsoft Azure, I already mentioned. Let me just say a few words about the BigClown potential, because this is for us the most precious product that we have, the product that we love, and this is because it generates really millions of IoT opportunities that our supporters, people in innovation teams or schools can just think about and publish on the web. We do it community-wise, so we are building community of supporters that like BigClown, and we are trying to really push hard our education level of doing business. So we are selling to schools, we are teaching teachers or lecturing teachers how to teach IoT and digital skills in the schools, and how to basically inspire the inventors of tomorrow, young kids that have great potential. And we very much believe that based on things, hardware and ideas similar to ones that we give them, they will be really future for us. So thank you very much, and I'm happy for your questions.
Questions? Come on, guys, help me here. All right, so let's say again, like the plan for next, let's say 6 to 12 months. Like, would it be more about the BigClown or more about, let's say, the embedded project? So where's your focus right now?
Well, it's still both. We are living on B2B projects. I have to say, BigClown is we don't have there that great margins because we are not selling the scales that we need for that project to be really break even. But the passion is BigClown. But BigClown for both, for B2B projects and really to use the potential of the kid and the education. So we have now two big projects ahead of us, but both of them in sales. First, increase our sales team in B2B and really try to build on projects and projects and products that we have been doing for our customers in the past and really multiply it. But second, or maybe the first, very big issue is to enlarge our educational team. We will be this year definitely opening one more office abroad. We have one in London already, and we will be opening one in Germany. So we will go to German-speaking countries, and also working on our market, so Czech, Slovak with BigClown and education.
All right. Good luck then. Thank you.
Thank you.